This exclusive property showcases a unique installation by Grahams, comprising modern, high-quality design, finishes and technology throughout. Every need is catered for, including Wi-Fi, security and entertainment. Incorporating innovative lighting design, the Lutron Homeworks control system simplifies and standardizes the control of lighting in any room. The purpose-built cinema houses a high-definition projector on a drop-down motorized lift, with a 3-meter wide screen and a Meridian digital home theatre for the audio. All cleverly integrated to maximize space and comfort at the press of a button. High-definition audio is delivered to all rooms from in-house servers or the internet. TVs provide HD video as well as the latest streaming options, all operated via in-wall portable touch panels or personal mobile devices. The gymnasium features a 55-inch drop-down TV, which magically appears when in use. Exceptionally designed and installed, this is just one of many award-winning integrated home projects completed by Grahams. Home technology for the way you live.